Well, here is one of my woodpeckers. He's just enjoying some fresh food here. He's into these sunflower seeds big time. And I've got some pecans for him over here on the log pile. And I can brace this camera enough to zoom in a little better. He said I'm really a spooky little thing, and if the snow falls off the edge of the roof, I have to check it out and be sure I'm not about to get hit. Why don't you turn around a little bit and let us see the red on the back of that head, Woodpecker? He does, he just got, oh, there he goes. Go in with that tree. Nope, can't. He might come back.